Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be discussing about the CutShort, which is a hiring platform, and they provide a job opportunity for all the level of skills like a beginner, junior or mid-level or experience level, no matter what. So recently we have been collaborated with the CutShort, and they are providing a lot of opportunity for our community, that is our cloud and DevOps community. So I think this is the best opportunity for those who were DMing me on the LinkedIn asking about the job. So I would request you to everyone to just check out the links in the comment section or in the video description and get started with the things. You just have to log in through your Google account. Wait, you just have to paste this or click on the link which has been provided in the video or in the comment section, and you will be landed here. So you will get first a get started page. You just sign up with your Google account and provide your details, informations and your resume. Most of them will be fetched from your resume itself, so there is no hustle at all. After that you will be landed here. So go to your dashboard. Here you can see your all the information, and they have something called wait, let me show you one thing. So they have something called as this trust score. So trust score is like a CIBIL score of your credit card. So in this trust score you can know, like, companies will know how much trustworthy you are or not. So based on some algorithm, this trust score has been calculated. So I think maintaining this generosity will help you to move up, skill up the ladder. So whenever a company is looking for someone in the DevOps field, so if your trust score is more, your chances of getting hired has been increased because your profile will shown at the top of the that list. So that is the one thing. Another thing is, like, when you get into their profile and when you just click on this find jobs, first of all they will provide you a page where you can set up the preferences that you are looking for, and then according to the preferences you have chosen, they will show you the list of the available jobs they are having right now. And that is the best part, I would say, because you can customize as per your need, whether you are beginner or experienced person. So based on that thing you will be getting the things. Apart from that, they have also provided some 100 INRs. I don't know exactly what they are going to do, but it can be considered as a future like versioning of themselves. Like, they will use this money to, like, upgrade yourself in this particular platform. But don't worry, apart from this there is nothing, no charges been involved. It's totally free of cost and you don't have to pay any penny. And I think in this way you can get started with your job hunting process, and this will help you. So thank you so much for taking your precious time and checking out this video, and I hope you will get your job as soon as possible. So thank you so much for your time, and apart from that, let's see you in the next video. Thank you.